do my nonchalant. Okay, finally with the nonchalant. Finally with the nonchalant because I'm done with kawaii. Yo, comment! I'm on holidays. Um,
Get away
I'm,
from now.
I don't know.
Oh my god, my
I'm not a English. I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina. I'm a Filipina.
If been here for 7 days. If what?
I don't know. I don't even know.
What you mean if?
I cannot live with Roblox anymore. I'm just gonna dash.
What do you mean if?
When Roblox got banned in the Philippines, I'm just gonna go to America to play DPI because I cannot live without dress to impress. I'm addicted to posting to eat. If they delete Roblox content on user, I'm gonna crash out. I cannot live I cannot live with MMV, MM2, or just Impress. It's my favorite. I can't. I cannot go to. I'm gonna cry if they delete Roblox because I cannot go to DP anymore. 7. Because yesterday I don't know what is it. I'm not good at fashion. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, okay. I six six nine.
Hah? Hindi ko pa temper. Mag-edit ka ng app. Ano yun?
I don't have a phone anymore. But
Bro, you don't.
I don't know how to play without a mouse and a laptop. It's my first time playing on a laptop. I use a phone for my whole life, and now I play it on a laptop.
They jumped. Wow.
I finally have a friend.
Well, well, well.